Today I'm going to be staying the night in one of the oldest towns in South Africa. I'm staying at the Droste Hotel in a small town called Graaf. The plan is to document my stay at the Droste Hotel. I will show you the room, food, and everything else in between. My dad and I are going to try finish this tonight. Then we'll be exploring the town of Graaf. We will walk the streets, find food at a restaurant, go see the Valley of Desolation, and show you what it is like to visit one of the oldest towns in South Africa. I will see you there. Welcome to our room at the Droste Hotel. This place is amazing. Let's go check it out. Wow, I really love the look of this room at the Droste Hotel. It's a 31 square meter room located here at the Droste Hotel. We are in a small town in South Africa called Graaf, and I know my stay here is going to be incredible. There is definitely a unique feel to this place, and I think you guys will feel it as well, especially if you come stay here. If you want to come visit, there is a link down in the description down below. It is at a really great price for everything that you get here. If you have a look on their website, you'll see that the Droste Hotel is in the heart of a town with a rich history and immense character. Graaf was established in 1786 by the governor Cornelius Jacob van der Graaf, whose wife's name was Cornelia Reinet, so you can assume how they came up with the name. Droste Hotel was initially built in the early 1800s and has been refined over the years into one of South Africa's top 10 hotels. I don't think it's a top 10 hotel, maybe it was a top 10 hotel when there were only 10 hotels, but it is a gem. The Droste Hotel hasn't always been a hotel. It originally served as a residence for the local magistrate until 1847. The town was originally established as a trading post to expand trading inland from Cape Town. The Drostdy then became a national monument in 1987, and in 2014 it was refurbished to what we see today. One last cool fact is that Queen Elizabeth II and Nelson Mandela actually stayed here, which is pretty cool. It's really interesting, so if you want to look up more information about that, I'll leave a link to their website down in the description below. But without further ado, let's get into the tour. You'll arrive at the Droste Hotel, check in, and then make your way to the room. There are a lot of different rooms, so there's a good chance you'll see other people around. When you go towards the room, you'll see there's a beautiful entrance with hedges on both sides of the room. But without further ado, let's go inside and see what this room has to offer. Wow. Welcome inside. Let's start with the bedroom. So firstly, there is a huge king-size bed, which looks amazing. It is amazing. Moving on to more seating options, there's this armchair, which is very, very nice. There's this desk and chair if you have some work that you need to get done. I'm not actually doing any work right now, I'm just getting the shot. And there's also this thing, I'm not too sure what it's called, but it's pretty comfortable. There is also an aircon, TV, and a fully stocked coffee and tea bar. And this armchair seems like a pretty good spot to have a coffee. There's actually nothing in there. There is an African theme in this room, as you can see from the springbok skull above the bed, the prints on the wall, and the animal skins on the floor. It's not my favorite, but it's pretty cool. Anyways, let's move on to the bathroom. Welcome to the bathroom. I love this spacious bathroom with black and white checkered floor, his and hers basins, a large freestanding bath, a toilet, and a huge shower. Yeah, this is a good bath. I could definitely have a bath in here, but unfortunately they took the bath plugs away because it is a water sparse area, so they are trying to save water. So completely understandable. Anyways, let's go check out the patio outside. Unfortunately our room doesn't have an outside area, but I'm gonna go try find a room that does and try film it. Let's go see. So that's the room. Let's go see what else the Drostdy has to offer. I then made my way to the pool. There is a beautiful pool here at the Droste Hotel. There are lounges, umbrellas, a small area of grass, and a cool palm tree. I wanted to have a swim, but I was still deciding. The water's actually not too bad. I thought it would have been colder. I'm definitely still not going to have a swim. There are many places to sit, but my favorite was the Cigar Lounge. Since there were no smokers when I arrived, I'll always think of it as the library. I wasn't actually reading the book. Then you can have a walk around the gardens to appreciate the sculptures, landscaping, and awesome grapevine tunnel. This 200 kilogram cheetah sculpture took 12 people to move. It was created by Dylan Lewis and is one of his 12 pieces. There are also 5 other smaller Dylan Lewis pieces which are available for purchase, so if you want to spend that, go for it. You could sit on the patio and enjoy a meal at the Nekweber restaurant, or you could go into town and find a restaurant like our yard, which is what we're actually doing. And I say we because I'm actually here with my dad. It's only 4 o'clock now, so we're gonna eat supper a little bit later, so the plan now is we're going to the Valley of Desolation to watch the sunset. We just arrived now at the entrance of the Valley of Desolation, and the guy at the entrance told us that it's not even worth paying and going inside because it's actually so cloudy and overcast that apparently you can't even see anything. So the plan is to go back to the hotel, maybe we'll have a beer, we'll chill, and then we'll go out for supper. But tomorrow morning, we're gonna try come here for sunrise. So I will see you when we have a beer. Again. Bye. Here's a viewpoint. This is actually really cool. We just stopped off at Nekweber Dam. Did I pronounce that correctly? I think so, pretty sure. We are literally right here on the dam wall, which is crazy. And as you can see, the water levels are very, very low, so it makes sense why we can't have a bath. Yeah, this is a good bath. I could definitely have a bath in here. So hopefully they have a good rain. It's pretty cold. I see there's a path down to the dam wall, so I'm gonna try go down and walk across. Valley of Desolation. Found them. That was awesome, eh? Choose the ways. That one? I'm gonna choose this way. Always choose the path less traveled. And hurdle. Smooth. We didn't actually land up going for the beer because we didn't feel like it. So we just landed up chilling in the room. We had a shower, we just relaxed, and now we're off to supper at our yard. So I will see you guys at the restaurant. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. We arrived at our yard, checked out the art that was on show, and then we found our table. We drank beers and then our food arrived. We both got a toasted cheese and chips and a pizza to share. It looked like I enjoyed. Then on the way home, we stopped to take some pictures. This car's coming, eh? We just got back from supper and it was delicious. The toasted cheese actually wasn't bad and that pizza thing was actually also really good. But I'm extremely full. I'm gonna sleep well. The beer went down nicely. Another thing about Reinet is the people here are really, really nice. Like the parking guard was amazing. The waiters there were fantastic. We're gonna have an early night and then we are up early to watch the sunrise at the Valley of Desolation. So I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. We woke up around 6:30 a.m. and we were planning on going out to the Valley of Desolation to watch the sunrise, but unfortunately it was still overcast and raining this morning. It was actually raining the whole night, so we slept in a little bit. We went for breakfast now. It was delicious. I had an eggs benedict and a cappuccino. It wasn't bad. I said delicious, but it actually wasn't bad. So the plan now is we are going to go out to the Valley of Desolation, not to watch the sunrise, but just to see it. So hopefully the clouds are clearing up. It looks like blue skies are coming, so that's exciting. So I will see you at the Valley of Desolation.
So desolate out here in the Valley of Desolation.
That's crazy. I've never seen a wild ostrich before. So we just drove through the entrance of the Valley of Desolation. The guy at the entrance told us that we could get lucky. There could be a good chance that we'll see a good view. So hopefully he's telling the truth. But now we are driving up the mountain to go to the Valley of Desolation. Apparently it's like a 10-20 minute drive until we get up. There are also 2 viewing points. We're going to walk to the one which is like pretty close to where you park. And then the other one is like 7 minutes past the first viewing point, I think he said. So I'm excited. I'm sure it's gonna be beautiful. I hope it's not too cloudy up there. I will see you guys up there, but we are going up this beautiful road. Enjoy. That is mud. The higher we're going up this mountain, the cloudier it's getting. So that is a little bit worrying, but we're trying to keep positive. So let's keep going. We just made it to the first viewpoint and it's not looking very promising. It is extremely cloudy. We're gonna have a look now, see if we can see anything. I don't think we can. Something also pretty cool, it dropped about 4 or 5 degrees the higher we went, so it is pretty flipping cold up here. But this is the view from the first viewpoint. As you can see, it's pretty cloudy. I'm literally walking in a cloud right now. Then we made our way to the next viewpoint. That looks like the path up to heaven. Gonna walk up this path now to see if we can see literally anything, but I don't think we're going to be able to, but it's worth a try. But listen, at least we can say we've come up here to attempt to see the Valley of Desolation, but technically we didn't actually see anything.
This is like insane, we're in a cloud. We're supposed to see the valley. We're seeing just in a cloud, 0 visibility. Insane. So cool to see this during the day. Well, actually it is the middle of the day right now. Yeah. It's 10 o'clock in the morning.
And up
we go.
Where we going?
Yonder.
Yonder, let's go. Pose. Let's go! We were making our way up and then we came across this thing.
Echo!
Whoa. Echo!
We're at the valley, we're in the clouds, it is so cold, and we can't see anything, but it's just so cool.
It is so cool. For some reason it was only echoing in this thing here, so let's try. Echo! Do you hear that? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. My hands are freezing. My everything's freezing.
Jeez, we're properly fully in the cloud. You can't really see it on video, but it's pretty much zero visibility.
I wish we could see how desolate it actually was up here. Then we made it to the top. We made it to this thing. It's not a thing, it's a map. Definitely not a drum, but it's pretty cool. We made it. What is this? A life lesson here. In life, it's not about how much you succeed, it's about how much you try. There's going to be a lot of failures in life, but don't let that stop you. Push through the failures, and through multiple failures, you will find success.
It's so deep. I was going with like, you really can't see where you're going, and there's lots of rocks and lots of kind of boulders and obstructions here, but if you just take it one step at a time and you go slowly, you can reach your destination.
Okay. Look at us. Let's go! Anything else? Should we go? We tried, but didn't see any. Saw a whole lot of clouds though. I think we're gonna call it. We're making our way back to the car now. Unfortunately, it was too overcast to actually see anything. We saw a whole lot of clouds, not much of a Valley of Desolation, but we tried. At least now we can say that we came to the Valley of Desolation. I guess just because we didn't see it properly this time, it gives us another reason to come back another time. So hopefully I get to make it back here in the future, but I will see you guys back at the hotel to check out. Before we went back to the hotel, we took another photo and then I thought this was a good idea. I'm gonna try skateboard down this hill. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Just commit to the hill bomb. Bail so bad. Do you see how wobbly I was?
I was just hearing the music going, oh no.
Bro, I heard the oh no as well. I was saying in my head, I was like, stay on the board. Whoa. It's a bigger hill than it looks, eh? Can't get the hill though. I hope that was worth the clip. So, that is everything that we did in Graaf and at the Droste Hotel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And that's about it. I will see you guys in the next one. And there's also this thing. Oh, shade. Let me do one more. No! I can't believe I just did that. I'm busy filming this room tour and then I closed the door and realized I can't get back into the room because I left the key card inside. So I literally locked myself out, so I had to go back to reception, get another key card, and now I'm back here. So let's try that again. And what do you think about the skull on top of the bed there?
Yeah, that's a bit of a problem.
Da 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 da.